Una nating topic mga kaibigan, Marcos, ito sabi ni Marcos, startup classes at May, flood hit schools may need more time. Ito ay article ng Inquirer.net. President Ferdinand Bongbong R. Marcos Jr. said the opening of classes will continue on Monday, July 29, but administrators of schools affected by the recent flooding have the discretion to decide whether or not they need more time to recover. So sinasabi ni Bongbong na sana matuloy pa rin yung July 29 na opening ng klase, pero kung sakaling hindi talaga kaya, maaaring iusad ng eskwelahan yung start ng pasukan. So sari-sariling desisyon na ng eskwelahan bale. Marcos shared his directive to the Department of Education after conducting a situation briefing involving the effects of Super Typhoon Karina and the southwest monsoon on Rizal Province. Ito ang sabi ni Marcos sa isang interview kanina. Gawin nyo lahat. Ang pagpasok, gawin nyo hanggat maaari. Kung kaya nyo buksan. That's the usual hanggat maaari, open the schools and conduct classes. But there are areas na hindi talaga pwede. So yun ang sabi niya. Marcos said, some schools may have to conduct their classes outside school buildings or through asynchronous learning as experienced during COVID-19 pandemic. So maaaring sa labas muna kung hindi kaya ng mga rooms or natambakan talaga ng baha or ng kung ano man, or pwede din namang mag-asynchronous or na bibigay modular siguro, parang ganun. Ito sabi niya, as much as possible hanggat maaari, if the school buildings are a condition to take classes, they will do it. Pero meron pa talaga nakakaunti na lang ang may tubig pero marami na nag-iwan ng putik na hindi magamit. Tapos may mga nasira na gamit, we'll have to replace them as much as possible. It will be up to the school to decide what they kung kaya o hindi. So yun yung sabi niya. The opening of classes has been set on July 29, Monday. Meanwhile, DepEd earlier said that at least 90 schools nationwide have postponed the opening of classes for school year 2024-2025. So, dahil nga sa epekto ng bagyong Karina, sabi ng DepEd 90 schools daw ang hindi tutuloy sa July 29 schedule. Alam ko, Marikina nag-announce na rin na uusok ang opening ng classes sa August 5. So, yun yung sa Marikina. Ewan ko lang sa ibang lugar kung magtutuloy sila sa ibang schedule or tuloy pa rin sa July 29. So, ano po masasabi niyo mga kaibigan? Comment down below.